In what situations we should use binomial distribution? Three conditions to be remembered. First of that is, for any event there should be only two outcomes, only then binomial can be applied. By means two. So first condition is, whenever the event has only two outcomes, only then binomial can be applied. Example, you toss a coin. So how many outcomes will you get? Heads or tails? So binomial can be applied. Only two outcomes, you can apply binomial. Another example. Let us say a spinner is spun. What all outcomes will you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? In these 6 outcomes, binomial cannot be applied. When can we apply binomial means? Remove this 6 and generalize them to be odd number or even number. Now the outcomes are only 2. Now I can apply binomial distribution to that. Clear? First condition, in binomial only 2 results have to be possible. Second condition is, events have to be independent. Whenever the events are independent, only then I can use binomial distribution. Now what do we mean by independent? Let us say I toss a coin 8 times. What is the probability of getting a head? 1 by 2. Let us say I toss a coin 80 times. What is the probability of getting a head? Is it going to change? No. So it still remains 1 by 2. This probability is not going to change since this happened. The next event probability should not get affected by the before event. Then these two events I call it to be independent. Another example. Let us say spinner is spun once. What is the probability of getting odd number? There are 3 odd numbers, total is 6, so it's always 1 by 2. Let us say spinner is spun 100th time. Still, what will be the probability of getting an odd number? It still be 1 by 2. It's not going to change. So I call these to be independent events. The probability should not change. Only in that case we call them to be independent, and only in that case we can use binomial distribution. Third condition is, n into p should be less than 5. Only then binomial can be applied, otherwise no. Example, coin is tossed 8 times. Probability of getting a head is 1 by 2. So how much will I get for n into p? 8 into 1 by 2, I get 4 less than 5, so binomial can be applied. Let us say coin is tossed 100 times. Probability of getting a head is 1 by 2. So n into p will result in 50, which is not less than 5. So here binomial cannot be applied. We have another distribution called normal distribution that we apply here. As of now, third condition is n into p should be less than 5.